Okay, folks, that last video, I'm sorry it cut us off, but we'll start over again here, Elena, because I was rushing.
What was the mic you meant?
Okay, but if this base were 11 inches, Carl, which has nothing to do with the mic, and this base was 5 inches, and the height was 4 inches, we're going to find out the area of that trapezoid. So the first thing I'm going to do, Elena, is add the two bases together. And what do you get?
16.
16. Now, Elena, we were talking about this. Multiplying by a half is the same as dividing by 2, right? So when we say half of 16, we're saying 16 divided by 2. And what does that give us?
16 divided by 2 is 8.
Is 8. And then we take that and we multiply it by the height. What's the height here?
The height is 4.
So what would we get?
So 8 times 4.
Yep.
That is 32.
32. And we don't have units here, so we'll just say units squared, whatever they are.
Okay, so we always square them.
When it's area, we always have square units. Annabelle, yes ma'am? I just made them up. You want me to make up some different ones? You sure? Annabelle, let's say that this were 20 and this was 13 and the height was, let's say the height is 12. Okay? And we'll say feet. I'm not going to write it on each. Well, I will. There we go. All right. Annabelle, what would we do first? If we want to find the area of this trapezoid, what would we do first?
13 plus.
Exactly. We add the two bases, right? So, in fact, let's do this. Area is equal to 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height, right? Let's fill in what we know. You told us what to do, but we'll just fill it in. 1/2 times 20 plus 13 times 12. And you said add the two sides together, or the two bases. So that's 1/2 times what? 33 times 12. What do you want to do next?
Multiply 33.
You want to multiply 33 times what? Times 12? You've got a calculator. Tell me what you get. 33 times 12. 396, right? All right, so now we've got 1/2 times 396. What's that? Multiplying by 1/2 is the same as dividing by 2. And what do I get there, Annabelle?
So 3 divided by 3.
You want to divide 2 into 396 pieces? Or you want?
Other way around.
Okay, other way around. 198 what? I think we gave them a unit on this one. Feet squared. Exactly. Perfect. All right? Okay, I think we're in good shape there. Let's look at the first example.